My full name is Meg Rose Charles, and my apprenticeship is Level 3 Production Coordinator for News and Sport. So I grew up in South East England. My family are Welsh, so I see myself as Welsh. Came to Wales a lot. Loved the country, wanted to come back, basically, that's why I'm here. Interests, I'd say, well, I have quite a few. I like sewing, even though it does test my patience, because I've never studied it, I kind of just wing it. I love waterfalls and going on like hikes and things. I say I love hikes, but I do complain on the way up, but I love the view. Spending time with my friends is very valuable. And I'm a big homebody, like I love films and go to film festivals and I love travelling. So I had a bit of a whirlwind of like a career, I guess. I had a degree in events, kind of went the events route, did corporate events, did festivals, things like that. And then I left that industry to go to live in the woods for 4 years, to teach kids bushcraft skills and survival skills. Residential, which was really cool, met some amazing people, learned some really good life skills, and teamwork is unbelievable. When you go into the delusional state, you bond. Like you either swim or you drown, and we all swam. It was beautiful, very good time. And then I went to New Zealand for 8 months. One thing I've learnt, I'd say, although I'm in news and sport, I'm not confined to one area. I kind of see it as a stepping stone. So I love news and sport, but I'm also interested in different aspects of the industry and learning about the fact that I can dip my toes in wherever and learn what I want. So it's kind of nice, it's a very broad way to learn about production. And obviously if news and sport doesn't agree with me, I can kind of go somewhere else.
Absolutely.
Yeah. For me, I'd like as lot of hands-on experience as possible. Yeah, I'd love to go to locations, I'd love to try everything. To be honest, I want to learn about everything, so I know exactly what I want to do. So I've come into this with an open mind. It's a career change for me, and I'm kind of just excited to see what I like and what I learn, and yeah, go from there really. But yeah.